YouTube, my friend, this is a private lot. We have permission. Do not disrespect my video, please. Brother. Brother. Where did he say it was? Oh. Woo! Oh, I'm hitting my shin. Woo! I don't know how I'm supposed to wheelie it if it's first. Brother! This is so much easier than the last wheelie I tried, or the last Harley I tried. I tried Jared's and I couldn't get it up. His clutch was like too funky. Brother mobile. I don't want to hit the back of Casey though. Brother! I want to scrape it. Yeah, this is pretty nice actually. I'm starting to regret all the Harley bashing I've done. I kind of like it. Woo, brother! Golly, it feels so deep. That's what she said, brother. I just like it because now I can say brother a bunch. Brother! 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 I wonder if I can do a one-hander. How do you lock your foot? Let me see. We'll see. Brother! I'm digging it. Digging it, brother. Imagine if I hand dragged it right now. Or if I could knee knocker. Your face looks cold! Alright, I'm gonna put it up out of this one. I just want to get some nice scrapes. Yeah, my first experience on a Harley, I like mouse trapped and almost flew over the front of the bars. The second one, the bike wouldn't come up. Brother! How do you turn it off? How do I kill it? Ah.
You need a Harley, bro.
Brother. That was pretty fun.
Right? I like the Harleys. It feels so different.
Yeah, that's nice.
This is good.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. You gotta put on that song that they play in the Harley commercials. Around the town, are you going down to town? Are you here? Ho, 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 ho. Yeah, it was cold. Ooh, my bike feels weird now. Brother, come show me something, Casey. Brother, brother. Came down a little aggressive and I thought I was gonna the cross? I didn't do it. Did you do it? Huh? Have you done it? I'll try it. Let's see, so I'm gonna put my knee, drag my right foot, and then I cross. That interesting though, because I feel like I should drag. Oh yeah, he just did it. Look at that. I wonder if I should drag my left. I'm gonna see if I can point this down a little bit, and hopefully y'all can see more. You probably won't though. So now I'm gonna drag my left foot. Oh, yeah, that's definitely more difficult. I've got brake fluid leaking down, bro. I don't know. I guess something is coming out of my reservoir for some reason from my front brake after setting it up. Oh, yeah. See, it's more tricky. Oh, I forgot he swapped his tank back to stock. I don't know why he did that. Yeah. There you go. That's a pretty interesting trick. It's pretty cool. Little stubby. Damn, that's hard. Golly. Oh, I'm just beating my shins up. That, real high? That's tricky. Have you ever... Oh, well, I was gonna say, I guess you can't do it now, but when you cross your legs and then you jump into the tank, you can do it?
Maybe, yeah. I want to hit a tank in a 12 bar. I like to hit off a 12 bar.
Why did you swap your tank back?
It was all busted. That tank was like rusting out on the inside, and like the bowl, I couldn't even stay in it. Built like 2 times already, and the venting was all broke on the inside.
Damn.
Like he sold me the wrong tank. So.
Are you having another one made?
I'm gonna have this one built.
Oh, hell yeah.
12 bar should be here in a day. It's been like 3 months.
Oh, nice. You didn't have a 12 bar before?
On this?
Yeah. Oh, I didn't realize. Casey came down here from, what's it called? Washington? Casey and Ginger. I'm gonna just tilt this back up a little bit. Brother. Ralph Louis? To what?
Crisscross.
Oh.
It's easier than that for sure.
Alright, I'll give it a try. Ah, that is so uncomfortable. No thanks. I can't even like really Ralph Louis foot drag. Barely can. I don't like that one. Yeah, see, it makes that look real smooth and easy, but that is so damn uncomfortable. About that seems scary. Both feet on one side. I had a thought about that though, of a trick I could do, but I don't remember what I was thinking I was gonna do. He just double hand dragged. No hander, double hand drag. Oh. Foot on the cage. When do you ever see somebody do that? That was weird. Just doing whack stuff that nobody even does now. Oops, yeah. Do a little hand drag. I forgot Casey can like kind of drift too. I want to do that. like that rev limiter though. That Harley rev limiter. Do some brother shit. Scrape it! Harleys are pretty deep to scrape, oh my, but nothing compared to the FZ09 that I scraped. Oh, my stoppies have to be so much better. I think this new master cylinder really did help. Alright, I'm gonna end this GoPro video. What do you want to say to the people? That's it? Alright. You guys, you heard him. I have spoken.